everybody, this is my most impressive video as of yet. Like, the amount of work I put into this is like way more than any other video I've ever done. So, this is the piano probability problem. So, basically the way I'm going to explain it is, this is Weather Report. This is a character from one of my favorite animes, JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, and basically the way he's introduced is he makes markers fall to play the piano. Now, a standard piano has about 88 notes. At least, I'm pretty sure that's how many it has. I might be wrong. I looked it up, so I hope I'm right. And for probability, I wanted to find out what's the probability of him actually playing the melody he played, because I kind of refuse to believe that he just practiced all of that just on his own. So my personal theory was that this was completely random, and I thought this was random for a while, so I wanted to check if it was actually random. So for the probabilities, I wanted to see the chance of success. So in my earlier video, I explained that the more you do something of chance, the lower the probability of failure. However, that's also the lower probability of repeated success. So notice how while there's only one case of no tails, uh, there's only one case of all heads. So even though there's a 50-50 chance, uh, this means that the formula for repeated success, with x being the amount of repeats, is chance of success to the power of x. So now we apply this here. So he played 39 notes, 18 black notes, and 21 white notes. So calculating the proportions with my own piano, I found the white note area to be 22.6 square centimeters, the black note area to be 8.6 square centimeters, the whole piano's area to be 2,464 square centimeters. So using that, I found the proportions of comparing the note to the whole piano. So when we compare the white note to the whole piano, we have to divide the whole piano's area by the white note's area. So we get this number. So that means 1 in 109.0265 chance of playing this randomly, or just 0.91. Now, the black note, we follow the same thing, same steps, 0.35%. So if we were to play any note randomly, if we were just to pick a random point on the keyboard, chances are that these are going to be what are played. So if we were going to pick one specific note, this is the chance of it being played. So now calculating the final probability, since there were 18 black notes and the black note probability is 0.35%, and since there were 21 white notes, and that's a 0.92% probability, then we can plug this in to find the final probability. Just the odds of playing the black notes right alone in the sequence is this giant, well, not giant, astronomically small number. I think an atom would be smaller than this. Okay? So, this, like, if we were to put this in, I think, even miles, this would be the size of, like, less than a grain of sand, I would imagine. And the odds of playing the white notes, slightly better, slightly. So now we have to multiply them together. I used a full precision calculator that I found online to get this number, and this number is I don't know what to say. First of all, that guy, he most definitely did not play those notes randomly. If you could guess. If this was the chance of something happening, if this happened to you, you would be one of the luckiest. No, I take it back. You would be the luckiest person, not on Earth, not in the galaxy, in the whole universe. Because this number is so astronomically small. Like, we can't even I can't even comprehend how small this is. So yeah, no, it was definitely not random. Uh, and if we go back, I wanted to clarify something. Uh, chance of repeated success. Why I consider this repeated success is because we have to play the exact right note in a sequence. So the chances are about the same. So yeah, that's what I meant by repeated success. It doesn't necessarily mean the same thing. It just means like it doesn't necessarily mean the exact same note. It just means the targeted note because it has the same chance. So yeah, that is the final chance, and that is how I got this number, this horrible number. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.